In this video, I'm going to share with you 4 credit card lines that you can easily get approved for, even with low credit scores. Now, with these lines, they will show you your pre-approved credit limit before you actually apply fully for the card. And for those who have smaller credit card lines, this can help you build and get larger credit card lines and break that cycle of those little 300 credit cards and $500 credit card limits. So with this technique, understand banks only trust you as far as the last bank trusts you. So if you already have a $500 credit card line reporting on your credit report, when you apply to another bank, most likely they're going to match that or maybe a little bit over, maybe $700. And if you're trying to get out of that cycle to build credit, these credit card lines can be much larger for you with the approval with troubled credit scores. Now, these are going to be soft pull pre-approvals. So you're going to have an 80% chance of getting approved. And if your credit score is under a 700 credit score, adding a line of credit can help increase your credit score on 50 points on average when it reports. You just want to get one account, let it report, and you can move on to another one and get all the way up to a 700 credit score as long as nothing negative new is hitting your credit report. Now, this will not work if you're over a 700 credit score because age of credit is very important, or if you already have a collection account or a charge off hitting you every month with a CO, or if you're already behind on a credit account, such as your car note, you need to bring that current. When it comes down to the charge off or the collection, you can dispute that. Now, with my elite credit system, my user Greg was able to dispute a collection and get it removed within 12 days. So if you need my help with a one-on-one consultation, or if you want to sign up with my AI software and my group credit coaching, those links are in the description of the video and in the pinned comment section. And if you go to my website, you can download this free heart inquiry removal package for free. That link is also in the description of the video. So now let's jump into the first line of credit.
Now, the first card on my list is the Apple credit card, where you can see your pre-qualified limit before you apply. And this card is underwritten by Goldman and Sachs. Now, it's been reported with the Apple credit card, people have been approved with credit scores as low as a 600 credit score. Now, with Apple, this card will be pulling from TransUnion. So there's also reports once you pre-qualify and get your limit, if you go and lock your TransUnion credit report and then apply for the card, you could get qualified with no hard inquiry. And so checking out if you are qualified will not hurt or affect your credit score. So check out the Apple credit card.
The next card on our list is the Walgreens credit card. Now they have the store card version and also a MasterCard version. Now with this card, you can earn 10% on Walgreens cash rewards on Walgreens branded products, generic medicines and treatments, vitamins and supplements, baby and child care wellness, personal care, and more. This also includes grocery, household essentials, beauty and personal care, vitamins, over-the-counter medicines, and home care solutions, prescription copays, and even more. This card offers no annual fee, safe shopping, enjoy zero fraud liability, and free access to your credit bureau score. You can redeem rewards instantly at checkout. Only for you sales and deals, you get personalized offers, products, and recommendations. Now you can see if you're pre-qualified without a hard inquiry. There's reports with the store card version of people getting approved with a credit score as low as 600 credit score, but with the MasterCard version, you would need a higher credit score around 660 and up, and they will be pulling from TransUnion. Just be aware with this card, being that it's a store card, it is a little higher interest rate with the interest rate of 24.24 to start. And this can be variable interest rate going up to 33.24%. So you want to avoid carrying balances on this card. Next is the TJ Maxx credit card. Now with this credit card, you can earn 5% back in rewards every time you shop at their family of stores. Plus, you enjoy 10% off on your first in-store purchase. With this card, you can see if you are pre-approved in seconds with no impact to your credit score. Now, this card offers no annual fee, and there's reports of people getting approved for the store card with a 600 credit score. Now, with the MasterCard version, you will need a higher credit score on that of 660. Now, they do pull for approval for this card from TransUnion. This card has a higher APR of 30%. So you don't want to carry balances on this card. Just use it as a credit building card. Now, this card is the Burlington credit card, and you can see if you pre-qualify with no impact to your credit score. And with this card, it offers 5% back in rewards when you use your Burlington card. And this has a 0 annual fee with this card. Now, you can see if you pre-qualify, and many people have reported that they got this card even with a 580 credit score. This is a store card exclusively. So with this card, just keep in mind they do pull from TransUnion to qualify you, and this card has a higher interest rate of 33.99%. So you do not want to carry balances on this card. You want to use it strictly as a credit builder card, and make sure you're just strictly using it for that, buying something and then paying it off immediately, just to use it to improve your credit score.
Now, hopefully this information was helpful. If you have any questions or comments, leave it in the comments section. More detailed questions for me, you can go to my website and all your questions go directly to my cell phone. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Stay tuned.